From My Apps, click to edit the app. The Snappii editor will launch. Click the Invite Users button. If you want to invite new users, type in email addresses of the people you want to invite. Click the Add button. Then click Invite button. The invitation email will be sent automatically, or you can send it manually. If you want to replace a user with a different one, click the cross button and click Yes. Then click Invite. Now click the Invite Users again. You will see that the dialog has changed. Now add a different email that you want to replace that user with. Click Add and Invite.